Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over the specs and like the parts of my PC build over there. It costs around $1,000 and I honestly think this is the best PC you can get for $1,000. It will literally be good at any game that you need. I can like 100% say that. It's going to be great for the price that you get. Guys, I just want to quickly say I am doing a £20 Amazon gift card giveaway. The link will be in the description, and maybe if you win you can spend the money on a PC part or something. I don't know. Also, the spec or some of the parts I'm going to be going over, I do have unboxings of, and I'll put the link to it in the description, and I'll also tell you if I've got a video on it. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and let's just get into the PC parts. One thing that I'll quickly want to say is that this is my first ever PC build, but we're going to start off with a motherboard. So now it's loaded up. As you can see, it's the Asus Prime Z390A LGA 1151, and it's a beastie motherboard. As you can see, £179. I'm not too sure how much that is in dollars, but obviously it does end up being $1,000. Anyway, yeah, it's a really good motherboard and I'm really happy with it. It's got all the audio things that you need, Ethernet, USB, it's got a HDMI on there if you're not having a graphics card, but you obviously will be having. More USBs, literally everything you will need. Right, so now we're moving on to the case. Well, this is 100% the nicest case you're going to find for the price. And as you can see, it is lovely. It costs 50 quid. Honestly, it comes with four RGB lights, so that you can get up to 6 or 7 if you need. But that will cost more. But and at the top there's a power button, a restart button, a few USBs, and honestly it's a great case. As you can see, this comes with a remote and like a box. It doesn't exactly look like that box there, but that's where you put all the fans into, so all the lights is synced up beautifully. Right, so now moving on to the processor, and the processor that I picked is the Intel Core i5-9600K 3.7 GHz. As you can see, it says 9600K. The K stands for overclocks, and that means you can overclock it basically. So if that's at 3.7 GHz now, you can overclock it so it runs a lot faster than as it comes out of the box. It has 6 cores and 6 threads. And as I said, you can overclock it from 3.7 GHz to literally 4.6 GHz. Well, it's so quick. Personally, I haven't overclocked it that much because I don't want it to get too hot. But if you're doing video editing or anything, that's crazy. Right, now I'm going to move into the graphics card, and the graphics card that I've picked is the MSI GeForce RTX 2060. Now, this is a lovely looking graphics card. It's got loads of LED lights, and of course it is just a really good graphics card as well. It's got 2 fans that can go so quick, it's actually insane. They're really silent, and there's no bad thing to say about this card. Obviously, GeForce RTX, just one of the best graphics cards you can get, and it's 367 quid. They're definitely not cheap, but all graphics cards, or all good graphics cards, are quite expensive, and this isn't too bad considering what it is. It has got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. These are all like good ports, like HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, so 240Hz capability on all the ports. By the way, I have done an unboxing of this graphics card. If you do want to see it, the link will be in the description down below. Right, now we're going to move on to the storage. So I've picked the Samsung 860 EVO 500GB. So this is the SSD, what means it is rapido. Like, you need a solid state drive in every computer now, whether you're running games or just to start up. You definitely need an SSD. And SSDs have got really cheap recently, so this is £70 for a 500GB. Literally, as long as you're not doing anything that uses too much space, that's plenty of space. And anyway, I haven't chosen to go this, but if you do need like a lot of space, you can just get a cheap hard drive, like 20 quid with like 2 terabytes on it. But personally, I've not done that. Also, one thing I haven't mentioned, if you need any help on PCs, let me know. Just leave a comment and I'll help you out. Alright, now we've got something that I've done a bit of an oopsie on. So I decided to get an up here CPU cooler, not realising that, let me find it, that you needed, okay, I don't think I got the photo, you need a 3-pin port in your motherboard instead of a 4-pin. So you can't really see it, but I've got a CPU fan that doesn't have, like, it comes with LEDs but doesn't, I can't use any LEDs, but it does keep your computer cool or your CPU cool, but I wouldn't recommend it because it has 3-pin and not 4-pin, so you should try and look into your own CPU cooler and maybe get a better one. Better than 13 quid. And finally, I got the last thing, the PCU, the power supply. And the power supply isn't something you want to cheap out on because that can explode and make your whole computer die. So I went for a Corsair, quite a good company, 40 quid, and it's got 550 watts. Right guys, I just forgot to mention that I got 16 gigabytes of RAM, the link will be in the description. So that is it guys, as I mentioned, if you need any computer support, I'm happy to help. Just leave a comment down below, leave a like, subscribe, remember to enter the giveaway. See you guys, peace.